Wow.
Baby, I love you. I need you here with me all the time. Baby, we meant to be. You got me smiling all the time.
Alright, as you can see, I've already put the hair, I crocheted the hair onto the wig cap, and guys, it really doesn't matter how you put the hair on the wig cap because it doesn't really matter. You're just gonna have bangs. You can put it on any particular way. The only thing I would suggest to do is just to make sure the hair is falling forward in the front. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So basically what you see me doing here is I am just cutting some bangs. I had pulled off a section of hair, I would say maybe about 2.5 inches from the crown, and I pulled it forward, and I initially pulled it down towards my upper lip, and I used my green razor to trim the hair away, and then I went back and followed up with my scissors and just started cutting the hair back so that way it can be above my eyes, and that way I could see, you know, and the hair is not covering my vision or anything like that. But basically what I'm doing here is I'm just cutting the hair to frame my face, and yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna go back over the longer parts here and with my razor and just kind of trim away some of the longer strands. But the effect that I was going for was more of a realistic or more of a natural hair length. I didn't want it to have a blunt edge. I wanted the hair to be very natural looking. So yeah, also what I used later on is Cream of Nature's setting lotion to make the hair tame down a little bit and to give it a nice luster. And that's pretty much it. Okay guys, I'm just feeling myself because look at this hair. Like, I feel like I'm Beyonce's sister or somebody, maybe her cousin or whatever, but look at this hair. Can you believe it's synthetic? It's not even real. Like, it's not human or anything, and it was so cheap. I only spent $5.99 a pack for this hair, and I ordered it off of Sam's Beauty. The hair that I used 2 different types. I used Freetress Beach Curl OT27 color in 12 inches. And then I also use another brand, I think it's called Lulutress, and I believe the curl pattern is Beach Curl in OT27. That came in a little bit of a longer length than 18 inches. It didn't come in 12 inches. That's gonna be the longer little pieces right here that you see. But I didn't mind because I like kind of how it has that layered effect or whatever. But yeah, guys, y'all need to get this hair, okay? Go ahead and check it out. I definitely recommend it. It's perfect for going on a vacation or if you're just going to the store. This wig literally took me like 2, maybe 3 hours to make, and I did do it on a braided cap. I will insert a picture somewhere around here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But I literally just got my crochet needle, crocheted the hair in, and then in the back what I did was I did not split any of the hair in the back sections, but once I got closer to the crown and then all right here on the front part of my face, I did split the hair in 2 to 3 sections. That way it gave it a little bit more of a fuller look and a more of a natural look, and I like the results that I got with that. Yeah, so this hair is really, really good. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see I'm 5 feet tall, and I want you to see where it falls on me. So it kind of like comes to the middle of my back. Yeah, so I love it. And also this hair, because it is two-tone, it's OT27. It does have the dark root. So I'm just gonna show you the back here. I like how it does have the darker root, because I think it gives it more of a, I don't know, like more of a realistic look. It's like very natural, and I like that a lot. So yeah, and I think also this wig cap is very, very secure. So if you're thinking that you need to put bobby pins or whatever, you don't. It has a comb right here and a comb in the back. Like, look, this hair, it's not going anywhere. Like, this is my hair. Look. Okay, y'all, listen, I probably spent maybe $30 total making this entire wig, and I am so in love with it. Like, you guys need to check this out. Also, real quick, what I did, the product that I put on it was this Cream of Nature setting lotion that you can get at your local beauty supply store, and I cut bangs right here in the front. That's it. So I love it. 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 I will also be putting all the hair that I use in the description box below. So if you want to see how to make a cheap, affordable crochet wig on a braided cap, just keep on looking. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.